Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Well, as you can see before you, we have a Honda self-propelled lawnmower, and most people forget about changing the oil in their lawnmowers. It probably should be done once a season. A lot of manufacturers no longer put a drain plug in, so homeowners are a little mixed up as to how to drain the oil. If you do Google it, there's lots of information on the internet as to draining it right out through the fill tube because there is no drain plug. So I'm going to show you today how easy it is. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little plastic bag under the gas cap to try to give it a really good seal, because when we tip this lawnmower over, we want to minimize any gas from leaking out. Number two, I'm going to take the little dipstick fill plug out, and I'm going to put it right over here. Oh, look what we have here. This is a metal funnel that we're going to use to fill oil back into that fill tube when we're ready. And the oil that this lawnmower needs is actually 10W30, and today we're going to be using Pennzoil 10W30. No, we don't need that much oil. We might need about half a liter, a little bit less, but we'll check with the dipstick. So here we go. We've also put the lawnmower up on little blocks of wood to make it easier to tip, so this fill tube will go right into my drain tray. So let's see if we can get this done. I don't know if you can come in a little closer and see that oil draining right there. And yes, it looks like it's well overdue for an oil change. It should be nice and thick and golden, and this is actually quite black and milky. It's only going to take a minute to drain out. Well, that's pretty well got it. Okay, it's as easy as putting a little bit of fresh oil in. Probably going to need about 3 of those. There's our little dipstick. The low is right on the bottom, and that's the high mark right there. So let's see where we sit. You might want to come in for a close-up here. Oh, look at that. We're right up to the high mark. That's great. And don't forget to take the plastic bag off your gas cap. And yes, if you're asking, the old oil will be brought back to some of the oil change dealers and recycled. Thank you very much for watching. That's how easy it is to change the oil in a lawnmower without a drain plug. If you like this video, please press like, and don't forget to hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.